YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, back with another video for y'all. Alright, so guys, you already know what the next line is gonna be, so just do it. Click the link down in the description below. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for me. And also guys, you wanna copy 260 Wavy merch, 260 Wavy brushes, do-rags, moisturizers, everything. That's gonna be in the description below. Also, click that, it's gonna take you over to the website. And anything that you purchase off that website, don't forget to use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your overall purchase. You would like that. I know you would, so don't forget to use that discount code. Alright guys, so I know you probably like, yo, why this man got a glove on? You know? Big shout out to Bori360 on Instagram. You know, I seen him doing this method on Instagram. I'm like, yo, that's pretty smart. So big shout out to Bori360 on Instagram. If you're not following on Instagram, go do that right now. He has pretty good tips on waves, man. Like he been coming up with a lot of good tips, so big shout out to him. So this method I got from him, and I'm just giving it to y'all because y'all my subscribers, and I want the best for y'all. So without further ado guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, y'all, so right before we get into this video, you know I always gotta unrag for y'all. So I always gotta unrag for y'all so y'all can see what I'm working with. Alright, so basically guys, today's method for y'all, alright? So a lot of y'all, when you're moisturizing your hair, you're adding products to your hair, use your bare hands. Alright, you put the product in your hands, you go over your head, then you pick up your brush. Mind you, your hand has mad products. Some of y'all wash your hands before you take the brush, pick it up. But this is made out of wood, alright? So when you touch it with the product, it kind of destroys the wood. So I just don't like it, alright? So if you guys want to use this technique, you can. But something to prevent the products getting on the brush is to use some gloves. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take the glove, alright? I'm gonna put it in. Alright, you take the glove. I don't know why I did that. Now you take the product, right? Put the product in. You know, you just put it on your head. Now when you finish, you just take it off. I know it's probably gonna be a lot of work because you're gonna have to keep throwing the brush away. Keep throwing the glove away. I don't know if they have any gloves that you can reuse, but you might have to throw the glove away because I'm not gonna use this glove again. Alright, so I just throw it away. Then you just take your brush. Look, your hands has nothing on them. Take your brush, have a little brush session. Alright, y'all, so that's it. Just a short moisturizing method, man. You just use the gloves to put the moisturizer in your hands, and then when you take the gloves off, you don't get the moisturizer on your breast. That will mess it up. That's just something I learned, you know, and I'm just giving it to you guys. Whatever you choose to do with it, it's up to you. But big shout out to Boy360 for opening my mind up to this method. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you will never miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.